Welcome back, everyone. We are off the ship. We have stopped at our first port in St. Martin. Look, Icona seas back there. So we are in St. Martin and we're getting ready to head over to Maho Beach. I did go to Maho Beach in September and I did a lot of video on that if you want to check that out. But it is day, oh my gosh, you lose track of days, day 4. It is day 4 here on our cruise on Icon of the Seas and getting ready to have a great day in St. Martin. Woo! Look how massive Icon of the Seas is. It is just, ooh, this is, well, it is the largest cruise ship in the world. But this ship, when you get off of it, you just really, it's amazing how large it is. So we can see our ship right there, Icon of the Seas, and then we have Celebrity Apex, and then MSC Seaside right there. So a few ships docked here today in St. Martin. So I wonder if that means it's going to be really crowded. I don't know. It's a little breezy out here, but it's warm, so I'll take the breeze with the warmth as long as it's not chilly. So it feels pretty good. We've made our way to the taxi stand here so we could get our tickets for a taxi to get over to Maho Beach, but I just wanted to show you all the line. So when you have multiple cruise ships that are docking at one time, there is a very long line to pay to get your tickets to take a taxi over. So you may want to get off the cruise ship a little earlier to maybe skip some of this line. Just a little tip. All right, so we have our wristbands. Let me show you. We have our wristbands now. This gives us round trip to Maho Beach and back. It's $16 per person. I'm sure price is subject to change, but today it was $16 per person for round trip. And we are getting ready to hop. And we're getting ready to hop into the shuttle right now. We have made it to Maho Beach. We are walking past the Sunset Bar right here, where you can order food and drinks, all those good things, and headed straight over here to the beach. The beach is crowded, y'all. Wait till you see this. All right, here is Maho Beach, where the planes come down and they land at the airport right there. If you want to see more of Maho Beach, I did do a video, well, I included in my Wonder of the Seas video a few months ago. I'll tag that right above. You can check it out. I talked a lot more. I showed the planes coming overhead and all of that. But as you can see, this is a very popular beach because of the planes that come out overhead. But the water is so beautiful. Look how gorgeous that water is. So pretty. Oh my goodness. Breathtaking. But also remember, there are 3 ships in port right now. So that's another reason why it's extra crowded. And that is the airport over there where the planes land. Here comes a plane. Here it comes. They have some that come as bigger than that, but glad we got to see one of them. And here at this bar and restaurant, they have a screen that shows you the times that the planes are arriving, so you can know what time to go out and maybe get in the middle right there so you can catch it right over top of your head. All right, y'all, so we just left from by the Sunset Bar and Restaurant. That was at the Maho. They also have the Sandbar restaurant as well. That's where I'm at now. They have a beach over here. It's right next door to the Sunset. So you can either go have your drinks, music at the Sunset, or you can come over here to the Sandbar and have your drinks and music. And the beach is less crowded, as you can see, and they're literally right next door to each other. Like, they connect. But here is more of how it looks over here. They have plenty of seating, shade, all of it over here for you to come enjoy, and music as well. I wanted to give you all a peek at the menu as well that they have over here. So this is the menu. If you do decide you want to get food while at the sandbar, this is the menu and the prices. And they have waiters going back and forth that'll come to your table, get your order, and bring you your food. There's definitely a good chill area. Look, they have even more seating over here as well. So you have a couple of different options when you come to Maho Beach, where you can eat, relax, and soak up the sun. All right, y'all, we have had a wonderful day here in St. Maarten. It was very warm. We had fun at the sandbar, bar and restaurants, dancing, listening to music, enjoying the water. Look behind me. Icon of the seas right there. That ship is huge. But yeah, fabulous, fabulous time. And getting ready to go rest up and see what else we do today. I don't know if y'all can see it, but on the top, all the way up there at the top, they're in the pool looking down at us. That's pretty neat. May go hop in the pool, but yeah, this ship is ginormous, and then that's the Celebrity Apex and the MSC over there. But this is us. We are walking down the pier to get back on the ship. So we just got back on the ship. We went through security, but check this out. They have an escalator to bring us back up. Usually we have to take an elevator to get from the gangway back up, but just wanted to point out here on the icon, we have an escalator. Something new and different. I have taken an escalator down to the gangway before, but never back up the gangway when getting back on the ship. So, and they even have the neon lights on it. Pretty. When you get to the top of the escalator, they have the casino right here. So if you want to just go into the casino, you can. Or that's when you get to the top of the first escalator. Now we hopped on a second escalator. And I believe this is going to bring us into the promenade. Yep. So this brings us into the Royal Promenade. Casino Royale. So you go down there and there's the casino, but you have to pass it back up when you get back on the ship as well. All right, y'all, just wanted to point that on out. All right, it's a few hours later. We are back on the ship. We've taken a nap, and they're going to have fireworks. This was the first day that the Icon of the Seas has ported in St. Maarten. So
once again, fireworks
Here we go.
will be happening on the starboard side of the ship, opposite side from the stage. So if you want to have the best view, you can cross to the other side.
So as you just heard her, the fireworks are going to be starting. They're going to be on this side. As you can see, everybody's lined up on this side, the starboard side. But to repeat, they are commemorating the first time. Today was the first time the Icon of the Seas has ported in St. Maarten. So to commemorate that, they are doing fireworks. And that's really exciting. So can't wait to check that out. All right, y'all, so we just finished watching the fireworks show. I thought that was pretty cool. I didn't realize that this was the first time that Icon of the Seas has ported in St. Martin, but you know, it makes sense. This is only the third official sailing for Icon of the Seas. So I love that they commemorated it with the fireworks. Now we are at main dining, getting ready to eat. It's Caribbean night tonight. Here's a look at the menu. So you can see it's all, most of it is Caribbean themed. So I hope we enjoy it. I'll let you know. Oh my goodness. All right, so I just finished up dinner. I'm walking in the Royal Promenade right now. And yeah, they have the live band playing. It's nice. But those garlic and butter tiger shrimp that I had, oh my goodness, they were so good. I always compare the shrimp that I get, like the garlic shrimp, to Giovanni's in Hawaii. I love those. But these might have been a little better. This garlic, and if you're here, if you come on Icon of Seas, try the garlic and herb tiger shrimp during Caribbean night. You won't be disappointed. And here's the band. Up there playing the Caribbean music for Caribbean night. Pretty cool. I'm still here on the Royal Promenade, and I'm at the Royal Theater getting ready to check out the show Mosaic. Signature artist showtime, and we'll see how we like it. So the Royal Theater looks to be a two-story theater, and I did make reservations for this show, but if they have extra room left, you don't need reservations. Well, let's find us a seat. Oh yeah, it's pretty large in here. We have seating all over there, seating down there, seating over here to the right. So a pretty large theater. Mosaic is known for no instruments ever, so that's pretty cool. I guess we're going to see all a cappella performance tonight.
All right, here we go. 1, 2, 3. Every superstition, my days on the wild. Every superstition, the gutters bound to fall. The tip might go baby from the looking glass.
Just finished watching Mosaic here in the Royal Theater, and they are awesome. They're an a cappella group. They don't use any instruments, like they beatbox with their mouth and do drum sounds and all kind of sounds just with their vocals. It is awesome. So I would highly recommend coming to see Mosaic. Now they're only here for the first 7 sailings, the inaugural and included. So Only the first 7 sailings they'll be performing here in the Royal Theater. So if you're on one of those sailings, definitely check them out. Y'all, we just finished watching Aqua Action. How did you like it, Ken?
Awesome. It was amazing. Gotta see it with your eyes.
Gotta see it with your eyes. I agree. I mean, they are super talented. They are very athletic. It is amazing the things they do in that show. Anyway, that's the end of day 4. Thank you all so much for watching. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one. Bonus footage. So tonight they have the One Hit Wonders party here in the Royal Promenade, and they have the Stay Puft Marshmallow that is making an appearance. I believe they say he's like 25 feet tall or something like that, but he's here in the Royal Promenade to enjoy the nighttime festivities here tonight. It's pretty cool, a nice picture opportunity.